Hello guys and welcome back to my channel again. So in this video I will be showing you that how you can use GPT to write an essay. Now GPT is a new trending AI tool, and let me just show you that how you can ask for it. You can write this. Write me an essay on, let's say, computer history. Then you have to press enter and it will start writing an essay for you. It's a best tool. You can use it for many purposes as you want. Let it just get finished. So it's a bit long essay, so you can you know write this as well. You can copy this. If you want a limit, write me an essay of 100 words on computer history. Now it will limit the essay to just 100 words. Like you get the idea. Like you can put these things to customize your research. So that's it for this video, guys. If you like this video, kindly like this video, and I will meet you in the next video.